What is that? Huh? Doesn't smell bad. Let me flip it open. Ooh, it's off. Goody. What does this button do? What? Oh, what did I do? Game Fiak. What? Oh, crap. I'll try pressing the button again. What? What's that? Why does it keep moving? Gotta go. Look. Come look at it. Come look at it. This better be important. It is. Now come. Look at it. Ah, damn it, it's back. What's back? This. Look. This bit's boring. Press the button over there. What button? It's got a funny shape on it. Like an arrow. Right on the side. This one. Yeah. See? Press it again. Yeah, what does it do? I don't know. But look at it. Look. Freaky. Look at the white monster thingy. Do you know what it is? Look, it's there now. It keeps moving. It's alive. It's on a computer thingy. It's not alive. Well then, what's it called? I don't know. Try reading it. I can't read. You can? I'll get someone who can. Wait, who can read? That's stupid. Ugh. Come on. Now read. Come on, read. What? Read it. Hold her up to the damn thing. Alright then. Read it! I tell you, read it! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Read it! Do you think she gets what you're saying? I don't care. No, read! Ugh. Stupid humans. No, wrong. It says Pokemon. What? What the hell's Pokemon? So that's a Pokemon? But how? When? Why? I'm so confused. Who am I again? Never mind. Die, human. Mwahaha.